Hey guys, Justin Lundos down at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I'm standing on board a beautiful trade-in. This is a 2023 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer powered by the triple Mercury 300 V8 outboard engines. She's in absolutely beautiful condition. This boat has only done 58 running hours, so really minimal use down here in St. Pete, and I'm going to give you a quick run through. So starting back on the rear platform, you'll see she's beautifully appointed with the SeaDek flooring throughout the whole boat. Upholstery work is this really luxurious Sea Ray white vinyl upholstery with the nice teak table. It does have a little scuff there, which we're going to take care of. She does have the rear sure shade, sunshade option, which will expand all the way beyond the rear seating. And on all the Sea Ray 370 Sundancers, our rear seat pad does fold down just like that if you want to make it into a sun pad, which is really neat. So as we enter into the cockpit area, she does feature the beautiful Sea Ray glass sunroof. This boat does have an added option which was custom made, which is sunshade window covers. They attach with these little magnets, so that goes through all the glass cockpits just to break out that heavy sun glare and keep the heat out in summertime. And those covers also expand throughout all the glass windows here in the cockpit as well. So beautiful galley seating. We do have a refrigerator as well as an electric stove which has never been used, and a trash can and some additional storage. She does have cockpit and cabin air conditioning. Take you on up into the helm, featuring the Mercury joystick piloting for our 300 V8 Mercury engines. We have our trim tabs, our SIMRAD controller, as well as a VHF. Sitting here at the helm of the Sea Ray 370, super sporty boat to drive. The power that we have here is pretty awesome with these 300 V8s. Got all the instrumentation that you need right there with the twin SIMRAD 16-inch navigation units. Take a visual of our engine hours, only 55 hours, which is pretty amazing. Boat has done very minimal use. Ergonomically well laid out. You've got air conditioning vents facing you, easy access to your stereo and all your redundant controls right there that you need. A lot of visibility all the way around, which is really important out on the water. Sea Ray did an amazing job with this 370 Sundancer. Beautiful big door that you can really enclose if you want to get out of the elements, and open if you want to get up to the bow, which is a great feature on the Sea Ray 370. Is we do have this beautiful foredeck on the bow featuring 3 really comfortable lounges with armrests, as well as stereo and drink holders, as well as phone charging outlets as well. We do have our remote spotlight and our access to our windlass anchor. So here down in the cabin on the Sea Ray 370, we do have our galley with our sink, we have a microwave, and we also have a refrigerator. Access to our switch panels are behind this seat right here. Beautiful seating, and the bow area does convert into a double bed as well, and you have your own TV right there. Closet space right beyond that cabinet, and a beautiful appointed head and shower right there. As you can tell, super high-end materials they use, and a lot of space. We do have a rear berth as well, which is either seating or you can convert that into a sleeping area as well. If you guys want to come check this out in person, Justin Lundos here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Let's get you out on the water boating in this beautiful Sea Ray.